How to take a screenshot on your laptop or your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you two different methods on how you can take a screenshot on your laptop or your PC. So, let me talk about the first method, that is the snipping tool method. So, there are basically two ways on how you can take screenshot from this method. The first one is by going to your start and then simply search the app called snipping tool. Now simply tap on the option snipping tool and now all you have to do is simply tap on this new icon right over here, and then your screen will go dark, so you'll have to simply make this a rectangle and then simply select your entire screen. Now once you've done that, it'll show you the preview of your screenshot. So if you tap on this option right over here, it is the copy option. And if you want to save it, you can simply tap on these three dots and then tap on the option save. Now choose the destination where you would like to save this screenshot to. For now, I'll simply leave it over here, and then let me also copy this screenshot. Now let's back out, and then let's say you want to send this screenshot to someone. All you have to do is come over here and then paste the screenshot. After that, send. Now that is one way on how you can take a screenshot and then send it to someone. Now the second method on how you can take a screenshot using the snipping tool is simply using the keyboard shortcuts, which are Windows, Shift, S. So simply tap on all of these three keys at once, and then you will be taken to the same screen you previously were. So now the cool thing about snipping tool is that you can take screenshot of only a particular section of your screen. So all you have to do is select the portion of the screen you want to take a screenshot, and then it will automatically copy it to your clipboard. Now simply go to the place where you want to paste it, tap on the option Ctrl V, or you can simply paste it and then tap on the option send. So those were the ways on how you can take a screenshot using the snipping tool. Now the third and final way is simply locating the option PRTSC, which is the print screen option on your keyboard. Simply tap on it. Now once you've done that, it will automatically capture your screen and then copy it on your clipboard. So you might not see it on your preview. So if you go to anywhere and then paste, you can see that the screenshot was taken. So those were the three ways on how you can take a screenshot on your laptop or your PC. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.